Hi guys, I love mascaras and I was looking to buy a new one. I was on Myntra when I found the Maybelline New York Colossal Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. Here is my review of it. The applicator is fanned out, crisscrossing each other, which helps add a great volume. A single application gives a nice volume, thickness and even curl. I have used it a lot and I can guarantee that they don't clamp one bit. Maybe when it starts drying out when the product is getting over, otherwise no. Most mascaras I have used give me volume but in straight length. With this one, that is not the case. It curls well and looks nice and long. I use to and fro motion a lot to prevent any percent of clamping and to get a flawless finish. What I love a lot is that these are washable, which makes removing them super easy. The lashes aren't damaged, nor they break off. All in all, love it and recommend it to you all.